Ever wondered how the foods you consume impact your health and wellness goals? Today, we delve into the science behind three popular diet strategies: the Mediterranean diet, the keto diet, and the intermittent fasting diet. First, the Mediterranean diet. Picture a sun-kissed afternoon in Greece where fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are staples. This diet emphasizes heart-healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, while limiting red meat and added sugars. Its benefits are numerous, including improved heart health, weight management, and even a reduced risk of certain cancers. However, it may pose challenges for those accustomed to diets high in processed foods or red meat. Remember, the Mediterranean diet isn't just about what you eat, but also about enjoying meals with family and friends and staying physically active. Next, meet the keto diet, a low-carb, high-fat diet that pushes your body into a state of ketosis. In this state, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The keto diet can lead to rapid weight loss and may improve certain health conditions like diabetes and epilepsy. However, it's not without its challenges. Initial side effects may include fatigue, hunger, and mood swings known as the keto flu. Plus, the diet's restrictive nature can make it difficult to maintain long-term. Finally, there's intermittent fasting, a diet strategy that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. This diet can be beneficial for weight loss, improve metabolic health, and may even extend lifespan. However, it's not for everyone. The hunger pangs during fasting periods can be difficult to manage, and it may not be suitable for people with certain health conditions. So, there you have it, three effective diet plans, each with its unique benefits and challenges. The Mediterranean diet with its focus on whole foods and community, the keto diet with its rapid weight loss potential but restrictive nature, and intermittent fasting with its potential for weight loss and improved metabolic health, but challenging fasting periods. Remember, your journey towards a healthier lifestyle is personal. What works for one may not work for another. So consider your lifestyle, your health goals, and your personal preferences when choosing a diet plan. And of course, before making any drastic changes to your diet, always consult with a healthcare professional. Here's to making informed choices for a balanced and sustainable lifestyle.